walk through a train? No.
This happens all the time.
Yeah, no. Really? I hope not. That's crazy. Walking the mile. Walking the mile.
You're in New York now, you've never done this?
I live in Brooklyn all my life. I've never done this. Ever.
You ever get stuck in the train?
No. This is the absolute first. 25 years in the making.
Let me in.
Oh, jeez. Oh, I never see this booth.
You're welcome.
The pictures, guys. Walk through the train. Walk through the train. Try to keep it still.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please be patient. The conductor will come to your car to keep you informed. Everyone, please remain seated and thank you again for your patience. We have no power, the train cannot move. We will come to your car to keep you informed.
Oh, this is even cool. This is even cooler. It just gets better. They're going into the abyss. Maybe.
Someone got run over and train in front of us.
Thank you.
All right. All right, just be careful.
Yeah, this is awesome.
And then just go.
Ooh, what's over there? This is awesome. Only me, kid. Only me. This happens to me. Yo, John, this shit is crazy, right? We made it really far. Ooh, something over there. Coolio. Oh, civilization, electricity, and I'm back where I started. I didn't go anywhere. I guess I got on here 40 minutes ago, and I'm still here. That was pretty cool. How's it going? I guess. Alright, I'm gonna jump on the N train. Crazy, right? I know. And we will exit.